Doug's Hurricane Shack videos may be copied, remixed, transformed, and built upon with attribution. Thank you to all of the subscribers to my Hurricane Shack.
On August 13th, the National Hurricane Center began monitoring a tropical wave coming off the coast of Africa. The system struggled to organize amid conditions only marginally favorable, but eventually became organized enough to be designated Tropical Depression 6 late on August 19th. Despite high vertical wind shear and otherwise unfavorable conditions, it strengthened to Tropical Storm Gert at 4 o'clock UTC on August 22nd. However, increased wind shear from the outflow of nearby Tropical Storm Franklin caused Gert to weaken back to a depression, then a low, and then an open trough. Its remnants remained identifiable over the next week, and early on August 30th, the NHC began monitoring the remnants for potential redevelopment. Then on September 1st, it became well-defined, and the system regenerated into Tropical Depression Gert. Gert continued this rebound, become a tropical storm once again later that day. Moving northeastward, its winds reached 60 miles per hour late on September 2nd. This intensity was maintained into the following day. Gert then began deteriorating while it was drawn quickly northward into the rotation around the remnant low, formerly Idalia, and dissipated early on September 4th over the North Atlantic.